I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, today I'm starting with a new chapter that is adjectives and degrees of comparison. So, we'll be learning what adjective first. So, an adjective is a word which used to describe a noun or a pronoun. This is also known as a describing word. So, now in the example, you can say Rohan is a handsome boy. How the boy is, he is handsome. So, this is actually a describing word. This is describing a noun. Boy is a noun and this is describing how the boy is. He is handsome. Fine. This is also known as a describing word. Adjective describes or modify a noun. So there are few kinds of adjective like adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. Let me cover the first one with you. An adjective that indicates the quality of noun. It can be a bad quality, it can be a good quality as well. So that is known as a adjective of quality. So in this example, this is a beautiful house. House is a noun and it is described by a word that is a beautiful. So it is known as a adjective. It is known as an adjective. Tall woman, girl, short boy, neat handwriting, silly boy, nice work, pretty girl, pretty, nice, tall, short, neat. These all are the adjectives only, and that to a quality of an adjective. As this is describing a noun, right? It tells the quality of a noun only. Fine. Now we have a adjective of quantity. These adjectives are measuring words. These are known as a measuring word. Like it modify the noun, like you can see in the example, there is much water in the jug. You actually not aware of how much water is there. You only saying that there is much water. Like I want to drink enough or sufficient water for me. The water which is being kept in the bottle, that is sufficient enough. So these are the few words which is being used to describe a noun. Fine. But in this you don't have a exact information that how much water, how much milk is there. At that time you use the adjective of. Then comes adjective of number. You must have remember number. When number comes to your mind, it comes 1, 2, 3, 4. This is known as a number. So these adjective tells us how many people or things are talked about. Like in the current picture, you can say that one cat. How many cat is there? Only one. And the many cats, but you can easily count the cats as well. Like there are only 5 cats. So this is adjective of. Then comes a demonstrative adjective. This is used to point out something. That means point out a person or a thing. Like a teacher comes to your class, she is new and she is not aware about the person. So she used to say, those students who are sitting at the back, please stand up. She is not taking the names that she is not aware of. Fine. So she is pointing out the students who are sitting at the back. So that is known as a demonstrative adjective. The example is in front of you. This shamrock, that shamrock, and this is actually being used according to the thing which is near and far. Like this is used for the singular one when the thing is near to you, and plural if the thing is far from you, you are using those. Fine. uh, Covering the interrogative adjective. I know the word interrogative comes to your mind, that is used to ask a question. Same thing is in this as well. uh, in the interrogative adjective, we had a word which is actually describing a word only, like we are talking about which book. So I'm asking which book. Book is a noun. You can see in the example which plants should be watered. After which a word which is being written, that is a noun only. So that would be your which would be your interrogative adjective. Comes your possessive adjective. It tells the possession of a thing or a belonging. Like I would say, this is my pen, this is your pen, I want your books, or so where I told that this is my pen. Whose pen is this? That is my. After my, I have used pen as well. So that particular thing is known as a possessive adjective. You can see in the example, I am looking after her dog. Whose dog I am looking after? That is her dog. So the belonging of the dog is her. Fine. So I will be used in my, you, your, he will become his, she, her, it, is, we, our, you, your, and they, their. Fine. So these are the few possessive. Comes the formation of adjective. Adjective can be formed by adding a suffix. Suffix are the word which used to add at the end of the word. Like the few words I have written on the screen, that is noun. Noun is a love, and I'm adding in it able, it become lovable. It is an adjective. It is a face become facial, hero become heroic. So many are already been covered in your book as well. So we'll be sharing you the PDF. Those who are not having the book, they can go through the PDF as well. Fine. Uh, Now comes the degrees of comparison, the adjective that change in the form to show the comparison. When you don't are comparing, and when you are not comparing any two person or not giving any, if you are saying about only one thing, one person, then it would be considered as a positive. Like you can say a short pencil, that means pencil is short. But if you are compare these two pencils together, it's a shorter than the first one. You are comparing the pencils, and the shortest among the all, because you are saying that this is the last pencil was the shortest. Fine. So in this also, the I have a cat, a cat, a tall cat, right? Tall cat means you have a cat, and this is taller than the first one, and this is the tallest among the all. Piece of comparison. Now another example I can take, I have Ram is a good boy, and Ram is better than Shyam, or you can say Ram is the best among all, or Ram is the best in the class. Though this is known as a degrees of comparison. I hope that you have understood the chapter. If any problem you will be facing it, we'll be having a virtual session and we'll those things in that session. I will be again this explaining this thing in the session as well. So please jot it down your points and the problems which you are facing it. We'll be definitely discussing on that. Thank you everyone.